2003 Chevy Trailblazer. Got tire alignment problems. Sheesh. These are brand new tires, man. Let me show you the driver's side. So after I had these installed, I had an alignment done. Waste of money. Because apparently the inners are shot on both sides. I don't know if you can see that. The lighting is bad because of the sun. Look at that. See the tread on the outside? Sheesh. So I had an idea. Of making a tool for this that I could adjust it myself, because apparently going somewhere is a waste of time, waste of money. I mean, thankfully it's not that expensive. I think he charged me 80 bucks, but he doesn't know what the hell he's doing. So I had an idea. I thought about making some kind of rod where I can adjust either side and put it to the control arms in by the, I'm trying to see if I can get you down there. We're gonna have to go under. But it's funny, I had that idea, and then I thought to myself, because, you know, I learned at a young age, when you have an idea, you're not the only one. You know, I'm not special because I had an idea. Somebody else probably had that idea, and they had the means to make it. So I Googled it, and I found it, and I was able to order it third party from AutoZone. I mean, AutoZone doesn't have it, but I was able to order it through them third party. Here it is. This goes inside of a hole in one of the lower control arms, and this goes on the other side. So this is actually a lot better than when I did the van myself. And you got this handle here that goes in the hole, and when you turn this, it adjusts both sides at the same time, which makes sense because both inners are shot, so they must have had a tube like that made the adjustments. So I'm going to jack this up, get it situated, and we're going to see if we can make the adjustment. Do it yourself. So when I did the camber adjustment on the van, the adjustment was on the top. On this Trailblazer, the adjustment's on the bottom, so it's a little different. But I tried to set the GoPro up here so you can see the level. See, it's off a little bit. It's the bottom has to go in. It has to go that way, and the other side has to come this way. So that bar down there should do both at the same time. So I'm going to try to do this. I don't know how the GoPro is going to come out because of the sun, the lighting. You know, when I did the van, I had the camera on this side and I could clearly see the level, but there's nowhere to put that camera over here. So I had to put it on the back side. But we'll see how it comes out. Let's see if you can see that it's off a little bit. Nah, it doesn't focus. But I guess we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so I'm under the Trailblazer. When I did the van, I had it underweight on the rotors. But I can't get it up high enough to do that. I'd have to stack 2 block and then the block of wood. And my jack doesn't go high enough. And when I try it like this, the Trailblazer drops down too far. I can't fit under here. But here's the tool. It's in the hole there, the lower control arm. And it's in the other hole. And here's the part number. So apparently it's a GM caster camber tool. So I guess it works for a lot of different GMs, in case you're looking for it. It was 188 bucks plus tax. Free shipping with AutoZone. And I think I got the 20% off, so even after tax, it was like $1.67 delivered. But we're going to give it a try. Now, I got to get a socket to loosen the lower control arm bolts. There's 3 of them, those 2 and this one. So let me do that. So forget what I said about doing both sides at the same time. It says in the instructions, lube the threads on tool with anti-seize compound before use, which I didn't do, but now I know, now I'll do it. Install the ends, yep, got that. And it says adjust one side at a time. So yeah, I found that out. As you'll see in the video, I'm gonna play that now, me making the adjustment. You know, this is my first time using this tool, so of course I went backwards at first, but I'll speed it up so you can see it fast. And then I figured it out. And then I had to move over, I had to tighten the driver's side back up, then move over to the passenger side. I'll show you the clips, and yeah, you see this? Yup, the wrench that comes with it, that would work great if you got an alignment rack and you're up in the air and you're standing under there, but me, I'm laying on the floor, so I had to get a big pipe wrench. So what? It's my tool. I bought it. I own it. I damaged it. I'll take responsibility for it. But I had to get it done. The only way to get it done is with the pipe wrench when you're laying on the floor. All right, let's see what we got. That's what I'm looking for, 0 degrees. I don't know why it won't focus. Go check the passenger side. So I'm happy with that. I'll let you know how I make out. I'll do an update later on. The van's been good so far. Put the van at 0 degrees also. At plumb with this level. I'm gonna try it on this Trailblazer now. But so far the van, I think it's been a couple of months. The van's been good.